Today we're breaking down torque using just one simple tool, a wrench. Let's make torque super easy to understand. What is torque? Torque is the twisting or turning force that makes an object rotate around an axis. In simple terms, it's the rotational force you produce when you apply force to a wrench to turn a bolt. And in the metric system, is expressed in Newton meters. At its core, torque follows a simple relationship described by the formula torque equals force times distance, where force represents how hard you push or pull in Newton, and distance represents the length of the wrench measured in meters. The length of the wrench, used in the torque formula, is defined as the perpendicular distance from the center of the bolt or nut you're turning to the point where the force is applied by your hand. This critical measurement is also scientifically known as the lever arm length or the moment arm. In the first example, applying a force of 100 Newton over a distance, lever arm, of 0.3 meters generates 100 Newton times 0.3 meter equals 30 Newton meter of torque. When you switch to a longer wrench with a lever arm of 0.6 meters, as in the second example, you gain more leverage. This increased distance means that to produce the exact same 30 Newton meter of torque, you only need to apply half the force. 30 Newton meter divided by 0.6 meter equals 50 Newton of force. This demonstrates that a longer wrench significantly reduces the force required to achieve a desired amount of twisting force, torque, on a bolt, which is why mechanics often use longer tools for tightening or loosening stubborn fasteners. Torque can still exist even when there is no rotation. When you pull on a wrench to loosen a tight bolt, you are applying torque, the twisting force that tries to turn the bolt. However, if the bolt is stuck and does not move, then no rotation happens and no mechanical work is done. Even though nothing turns, the torque you apply is real and still acts on the bolt. This is an important concept. Torque does not require movement to exist, but work does. So remember, torque is measured in Newton meter or pound-foot. Longer wrench equals more leverage. You can apply torque even if the bolt doesn't turn. If you found this simple explanation helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.